Make up a jejevielo, Toboli. Make up a jejevielo, Toboli. Nega gleanyeji, Toboli. Nega nyoanyeji, Toboli. Mega favila zamenamo, Mega favila zamenamo. Nadena hokwela siyo.
Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and if it's your first time here, you are so welcome. Today we are making the most delicious Togolese light soup with some fried fish. Can you guys see this? Yeah, so I'm very excited because I got myself a new fufu machine. I'm going to be trying it out. I've been wanting this for a while and finally I got it, and I'm going to try it out. Yeah, so I'll quickly run you guys through the ingredients we are going to use for our fufu and light soup. So I'll be adding in some garden eggs, very fresh from the market, and we have some okra right here, some fresh tomatoes, garlic, of course the green pepper. This one is just for flavor. A lot of people always say I'm adding a lot of pepper in the soups, but no, you guys, this pepper is not hot. This is the hot pepper right here. In case you want something like this from Togo or natural, is available. Yeah, this is dry pepper, this is the hot pepper right here, and we are adding in some onion. You know, when it comes to Togolese light soup, this is always the star of the show, the black pepper. Without black pepper you are not making Togolese light soup. It is very important. It gives a very nice flavor to the soup. And yeah, this is the fish I'm adding into my light soup. It's looking so crunchy. I like fried fish with light soup because it has this flavor that I can't explain. Yeah, so this is the fish we are using. So I'll just go ahead and peel the garlic. You know, a lot of people don't add tomatoes into their light soup, but I do because I like the sweetness. Yeah, you see that Ghanaians do add tomatoes as well, but here in Togo, a lot of people don't add tomatoes in the light soup. But this is my way of preparing it, you know.
Make up a jejevielo, Toboli. Make up a jejevielo, Toboli. Nega gleanyeji, Toboli. Nega nyoanyeji, Toboli. Mega favila zamenamo, Mega favila zamenamo. Nadena hokwela siyo namlo, devielo, Toboli. Mega favila zamenamo, Mega favila zamenamo. Mega budget vielo, Toboli. Mega budget vielo, Toboli. Mega gleanyeji, Toboli. Mega nyoanyeji, Toboli. Mega favila zamenamo, Mega favila zamenamo.
So I'm going to boil the tomatoes and the onion first, you all. While this is boiling, I'm going to prepare my spices.
Make up a jejevielo, Toboli. Make up a jejevielo, Toboli. Nega gleanyeji, Toboli. Nega nyoanyeji, Toboli. Mega favila zamenamo, Mega favila zamenamo. Nadena hokwela siyo namlo, devielo, Toboli. Mega favila zamenamo, Mega favila zamenamo. Mega jejevielo, Toboli. Mega jejevielo, Toboli. Nega gleanyeji, Toboli. Nega nyoanyeji, Toboli. Mega favila zamenamo, Mega favila zamenamo. Nadena hokwela siyo namlo, devielo, Toboli.
Want the paste to be as sweet.
Make up a jejevielo, Toboli. Make up a jejevielo, Toboli. Nega gleanyeji, Toboli. Nega nyo.
So these are some of the vegetables I'm adding into my light soup. Right here we have some okra, some garden eggs, and some pepper. I'll just go ahead and wash everything properly and cut them. So my vegetables have been cooked. I'll go ahead and take them out and blend them. So I just blended everything, and this is the paste right here. I'll add it into the pot and add in more water. This is onga crevette, and adding some salt, not a lot of salt. Yeah, that's good. We are adding in some pepper right here, and of course the spices. So yeah, we are going to boil this. The reason why I'm not adding the fish right now is because I don't want it to scatter. You know, I want the broth to be properly cooked, and almost last minute I'm going to add in the fish, because if you do right now everything will scatter. Yeah. The reason why I'm cutting into two is to see if there is any caterpillar inside. You know, sometimes they have some worms inside. Soup is boiling. So our veggies are ready. Now it's time to wash the fish. This fish is really huge. I hope this is not going to give me like lot of bones in the soup. It looks so good though. So the soup has been boiling for a while, and I think it's safe to add in our fish. And you see how huge this head is. Now we'll add in the okra. So I can get the full flavor. So while the light soup is boiling, let's peel some yams. This yam is very dry. I really like it. And I'm going to be using my Fufu blender for this. And of course, I'm going to give you guys my honest review about the Fufu machine. Yeah, so I'll just go ahead and peel the yam and quickly boil it so that we can see how good this machine is. Seriously. So right here we have some black pepper. I want to crush this and add it into the soup. I'm going to add this too as well, you know, just to enhance the flavor as well. This is so nice in the light soup as well. While my yam is boiling, I'm going to give you guys my honest review about this King style kitchen expert machine. So this machine is a meat grinder. that a lot of Africans have decided to use it as a fufu machine. And presently in Togo is about 35,000, 30,000 some places, and 27,000. I don't know, maybe depending on the quality of the machine. Yeah. So since I got this, I've used it about twice or thrice, and I'm going to give you guys my honest review. This machine right here, it overheats when you are grinding something like yam, because you know yam is quite heavy for this engine because it's very very starchy. And but if you were to grind something like tomatoes, onion, meat, actually it's a meat grinder, it has no problem at all. It does it like ABC. So people are coming up with ways to use this machine as a fufu grinder. It's actually very effective in grinding yam, but it has a technique, and I'm going to teach you guys how to do it. The first time I used it, it was so annoying. I was like, oh my goodness, what did I do? Like, is this machine worth it? Yeah, so I'm going to show you guys how to use the machine. And yeah, let's just wait for the yam to boil, and we are going to try this out together. Actually, it's a very nice machine. It's very sharp. The blades are very sharp. When you're using this, you have to be very careful. So it's time to do the grinding. I just loaded the machine. So this is what you are going to do. You don't have to like grind it at once. So this is what you are going to do. You are going to press the first button for like 2 seconds. 2 seconds. Yeah, that's not allowed. You don't have to press it for too long, like slowly. When you see everything, when you notice that everything has been grind, you can go to the second one. Okay, now let me show you guys the result to show you how quick this can go. Can you see? We already have a paste, like it's almost ready. Can you see? Let's continue. Because the yam is quite heavy and I don't want to overuse my engine, I'm going to add water at once. Yeah, yam takes a lot of water. Now, when you add the water, you have to press the machine so that it doesn't move. You have to press it. We just want the fufu to be uniform at this point, so we keep blending. Can you see how smooth? Our fufu is ready, like ABC. Yeah. So that's the secret. You don't grind it for too long. Don't press the engine for too long. If not, your engine is going to heat up and you will stop working. You have to do it slowly. Can you guys see? Our fufu is ready. So perfect. Our fufu is ready. Just like that. So that's what our fufu is looking like. Now I'm just going to scoop it out and we are ready to eat. Yeah, it's very easy. This is what my fufu and light soup is looking like. Yeah, I just want to give it a try. Yeah, let's go ahead and try the food. So while I'm eating, I'm going to give you guys my honest review about the fufu machine, if it's worth it or not. This is good. Personally, I would say it's okay. Is it perfect? No. But it does the job. I prefer using the blender rather than taking my fufu to a commercial grinder where sometimes they'll take it to a separate room to do the grinding. I don't even know what they're doing with the fufu. So, I prefer doing it myself. Even though the fufu is not perfect, but it's manageable. This is really yummy. The flavor of the fish is amazing. Can you guys see it? So delicious. So I'd rather do it myself than taking it to a commercial grinder. And it's manageable, why not? Yeah. You won't get the full stretch you want in fufu, but at least you can do the job. Yeah. Because if you want to get the fufu like really stretchy, the engine might burn. So yeah, that's it, guys. I hope you all enjoyed the video. If you did, please go ahead and like, comment, share and subscribe. And until next time, bye bye. Thank you guys for watching.